What's going on, family? Blackfinger checking in. I'm at the steel yard now. I just got my skid weighed out because I needed to see how much it costs as far as to ship it. So it's right under 200 pounds, about 180 pretty much, give or take 5 to 10 pounds. So now I know what I'm looking at. So that was a plus. Had to do some homework on that so that way I can estimate my prices. And I'm also looking for some drop steel today. I like coming up here looking for some drop material because you never know what they get, and they always have some good drops for you. So keep me from having to buy brand new pieces. I can win by utilizing some of the stuff that they got on the drop. So I'm always up here messing around. I be having a lot of different drops too. So honestly, it all depends on what you need or what you're looking for. I need a piece of 2x2 tubing. That's like at least 3/16 to a quarter thick. That's what I need. I don't know if they got it. Might have to get that piece cut. But anyways, man, I'm out here doing some networking today. Trying to kill a couple birds in one stone. Get some things going. Hog on.